Hi there, and welcome to my tutorial on how to center a web page. Now, what I'm going to do in this tutorial is I'm going to teach you how to center a web page, and the coding that we're going to use is we're going to use two ways to actually center the web page, because different browsers operate different ways, and this is just going to cover all angles, so no matter what browser it is, it should be centered. So first of all, this is a standard web page setup, apart from I've got in here a link to a style sheet. Now I always have my style sheets linked to an external style sheet. It's just easy that way. I prefer it, it looks better. Okay, so we use a link to relation to style sheet. The URL is inside the CSS folder and stylesheet.css. So if I show you that, it's our index file, it's inside the CSS folder, and that's our style sheet there. Okay, brilliant. And the type is text/CSS. Now, what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to create a div. We'll give this div an ID of wrapper, and we'll close that a few pages down and close the actual div itself. Brilliant. And that's the div closed. Right. So, first of all, what we'll do is we will manipulate the body. Right. So I'll explain this as we go. We're going to go text, align, center. Now this is going to put everything in the center of the page, including the div. Then we're going to go to margins. Dreamweaver playing up there, sorry about that. Then we're going to go to margins, and what we're going to have margins set to 0 pixels, and also padding as well. Padding to 0 pixels, and basically what that's going to do is that's going to get rid of any borders at the top of the page, so the actual div touches the top of the page and there's no borders, no white bits or anything shown through that you can see. So then what we're going to do is we're going to target the wrapper. Now because I give it a ID, we have to use the hash symbol. Okay, I'm going to give this a width of, let's say, 900 pixels. I'm going to give it a height of, let's say, 800 pixels. You don't have to use these heights, these are just to display it. I'm going to give it a background color of red so we can see it. I'm going to set the margins to auto as well. That's another thing that actually centers everything. And then I'm put the text alignment back to the left, which sets everything back to normal. And what we should have everything centered. So let's just have a quick test. Brilliant, that's centered everything. Okay, so let's go back to this. I'm just going to show you what happens if I remove the padding and the margin. So I've removed that. Go on here, go to preview, go to Internet Explorer, preview, and you can see there's a little bit of white at the top here. There isn't where we had no margins and no padding. This we do. So just to get rid of that, that's why I put in the margin 0 pixels and the padding 0 pixels as well. Just make sure we don't get any of that in any of the browsers, and then the rest of it is just to align the actual page itself. Right, I hope that's helped you and you now know how to center your web page. do check my website out at 328development.co.uk. It is under construction at the moment, so do have a look at it. If you would request any tutorials or anything, do send me an email and I'll see what I can do to put one together for you. Thank you. Bye.